Hello friends, now we find the equation of polar equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to the initial line and is at a distance small a from the pole. अब हम उस स्ट्रेट लाइन की पोलर इक्वेशन को फाइंड करेंगे जो स्ट्रेट लाइन इनिशियल लाइन के परपेंडिकुलर है और पोल से स्मॉल ए डिस्टेंस पर है. Let us suppose that here O be the pole. Let O be the pole and OX be the initial line. OX be the initial line. Let us suppose that this OX be the initial line and O be the pole. This is the line perpendicular to the initial line. This is the required line which is perpendicular to the initial line. Here suppose this is the required line which is perpendicular to the initial line and is at distance small a from the pole. Let the required line is a distance from the pole. Let us suppose that O be the pole which is fixed point, OX be the fixed straight line which is the initial line. This OX is initial line. Here we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the straight initial line. Here we can see that this required line is perpendicular to the initial line and this required line is small a distance from the pole. So let the required line is small a distance from the pole. Let's suppose that P be any point. Let P r theta be any point on the required line. So OP is equal to small r and angle XOP this is equal to theta. Here we can see that this angle XOP is equal to theta because polar coordinate of PB are theta and this OP is equal to small r. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर OX फिक्स पॉइंट है जो कि पोल है. OX इनिशियल लाइन है, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है, दिस इज फिक्स्ड स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड इनिशियल लाइन और पोलर एक्सिस. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन which is perpendicular to the initial line. This angle is 90 degree. Let us suppose that this required line is small a distance from the pole. ये जो required line है ये पोल से small a distance पर है. Let us suppose that P r theta be any point on this required line where r is the radius vector OP and theta is the vectorial angle XOP. Here r theta are the polar coordinate of the general point P. In the triangle, suppose that this is M. In triangle POM, we can see here cos theta. This is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base is OM here and hypotenuse is OP here. OM is small a and OP is small r. So r cos theta is equal to small a. So this is the line, this is the polar equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to the initial line and is at a distance from the pole. ये उस स्ट्रेट लाइन की पोलर इक्वेशन है जो पोलर इक्वेशन इनिशियल लाइन के परपेंडिकुलर है और पोल से स्मॉल a डिस्टेंस पर है. Now we convert this line into Cartesian form. We can see here this r cos theta is equal to a. This is the polar equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to the initial line and is at a distance from the pole. We know that when we convert polar equation into Cartesian equation, we put x in place of r cos theta. We know that x equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So put here in place of r cos theta, we put here x equal to a. So this is the Cartesian equation of a straight line which is parallel to y-axis and is at a distance small a from y-axis. So we can convert the polar equation into Cartesian equation. ये उस लाइन की इक्वेशन है जो कि y एक्सिस के पैरेलल है और y एक्सिस से स्मॉल a डिस्टेंस पर है. So x is equal to a is the equation of the line, Cartesian equation of the line which is parallel to y axis and is at a distance small a from the y axis. And in polar equation, this equation can be written as r cos theta is equal to a. Thank you.